Happy holidays! It's Miss Megan with the Canton Public Library, and today I'm going to show y'all how to make ornaments. So I just love decorating my tree, and I thought these would be a great addition this year. So I made the M for me and the L for Lacey. And stay tuned to the end of the video and you'll get to see Lacey's reaction to her ornament. You don't want to miss it. And make sure to like and share this video. So to make the ornaments, you're going to need cardboard. So I just cut this off of a cardboard box, scissors, and you always want to be very careful with scissors, glue, yarn. I use a bunch of different colors in this video, and you can use whatever colors you want. You'll need paint. I used white paint and a paintbrush. All right, let's get started. So first, you're going to cut your initial out of your cardboard. I have my scissors here. You have to be very careful with your scissors. You're gonna want an adult to cut out your initial for you. Let's see, I have my initials cut out. So M for Megan and L for Lacey. You're going to paint your ornament. I'm just painting mine white. It needs to be a little thicker on here. You're gonna want to paint both sides. So now you're going to make a hole in your cardboard like this. Actually, get your adult to make a hole for you because it's a little bit tricky. Then you're gonna take some yarn and thread it through that hole. And then you're gonna tie it. And that's gonna be how you're gonna hang it on your tree or wherever you're gonna hang it. So next, take your yarn. It could be a different color or the same, it's up to you. Look at all this, where is the end? Here we go. Okay, so you're gonna start out and leave a little bit of a tail. And then you're going to just start wrapping the yarn around your initial. And you want to kind of tuck your tail underneath the other round so that it will stay. And you can also just push it down a little bit on the base so not as much white is showing. We're almost there. So once you get to your hole, you can either go over it with your string, or you can just skip and go around it, or just cut it off there. It is up to you. I'm gonna go over it. Okay, once you're done wrapping it around, careful and cut the yarn. So you are going to take your glue and just glue back on. Make sure it's clear glue so that it'll dry. Cut off the excess. And look, ta-da, there's Lacey's ornament. I hope she likes it. Do you think she'll like it? I'm gonna let that dry and then I'm gonna take it home to her tonight and show it to her. Well, hello, Lacey. Say hey to everybody on the camera. We have a special present for you. Today at the library, we made you an ornament. Do you like it? Huh? Can you say thank you to everybody for helping make you an ornament? It's so pretty. It's your favorite Christmas colors. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Sweet girl, it's not a toy. I think she likes it. Thank y'all so much for watching and make sure to like and share this video.